Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll discuss about the sole proprietorship and partnership firm. So for that we'll start with the meaning, that is what is sole proprietorship firm and what is partnership firm. So sole proprietorship firm is a type of business organization in which only one person is the owner as well as the operator of the business. For example, beauty parlor, barber shop, journal store, and the sweet shop. These all are run by a single owner. That's why they all are the sole proprietorship firm. On other hand, a business firm in which two or more persons agree to carry on business and share profit and losses mutually is known as partnership firm. For example, the relationship between the Red Bull and GoPro. GoPro sell more than portable cameras while Red Bull sell more than energy drinks. They both are lifestyle brands and that have similar goals. Next difference is the governing act. There is no specific governing act which is applicable to sole proprietorship, but partnership firm governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932. Next is owner. In sole proprietorship, the owner known as sole trader or the sole proprietor, while in partnership, individually owner known as the partners and collectively it's known as the firm. Next is incorporation. In sole proprietorship, the incorporation is not mandatory, while a partnership firm can be incorporated and registered at a later date, as registration is voluntary and not mandatory. Then minimum member. In sole proprietorship firm, the minimum member should be only one. On other hand, in partnership firm, minimum two partners should be there. If I talk about the maximum numbers, so in sole proprietorship, maximum number is only one. The number of the person cannot exceed than one. While in partnership, the maximum number can be exceed up to 100 partners. Next difference is liability. In sole proprietorship firm, the liability is whereby the only one owner. That's why the liability of owner is unlimited. But in partnership, the liability is shared by the partners. In result, the individual burden get reduced. Next difference is decision making. In sole proprietorship, the individual owner take decision. That's why the decision making process is very fast. While in partnership firm, the number of partners take decision and they all have different point of views. That's why the decision making process is slow in this. Next is profit and loss. In sole proprietorship, proprietor is solely responsible for the profit and losses. On other hand, the profit and losses shared is agreed ratio among partner of the family. Next difference is secrecy. In sole proprietorship business, secrets are not open to any person except the proprietor. But in partnership, the business secrets are open to each and every partner. That's why it's become very difficult to maintain the business secrets. And the last difference is finance, means the fundraising capacity. In sole proprietorship, the scope for raising capital is limited because only single person will raise the fund from the market. But in partnership, the scope of raising capital is comparatively high because the hand of raising fund is huge in numbers. So this is all about the difference between sole proprietorship and partnership. Hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yes, always learn with me.